Okay, so this is a website called Micro Workers. Okay, so before we carry on, I should just say you're not going to get rich using this. However, you can make an easy, few dollars just doing this. Really simple tasks, things like, follow a Twitter account, find a YouTube video and make a comment, that sort of thing. So really anything that should only take you like 2 minutes, and you can get paid. So once you set up your account, okay, so if you want to do this, I'll just show you. You just set up your account, fill in all your details, and then you're good to go. Okay, and then once you've logged in, this is what you get, the login page. So you get all these sort of jobs. Okay, so if you look down, this is the sort of thing they're doing. So you got websites, so it'll be search, engage, and then screenshot, and for that you'll get 20 cents. So the type of thing will be, it will be like type a search query in on Google. So there's the preview. Okay, so you got cleaners Fulham. You got to find that result. Type in one of the postcodes. Blah blah blah. And then once you've done it, take a screenshot, upload it, and you'll get 20 cents. Okay, so it's always quite quick. That was actually a longer one, but so there's one there that's just subscribe. So it's Mac users subscribe to their newsletter. They'll give you $1.60. Okay. Take 4 high quality pictures of your feet. Okay, women only. If that's your sort of interest, but there you go. They'll give you $1 for that. That's a little bit unusual for this type of site, but anyway, there you go. So it's usually things like, tweet. So here you go, like Twitter follow, comment, retweet. Okay, 10 cents. So it's all easy stuff. Create an account, 9 cents. So these are all, there's always hundreds and hundreds of these. Facebook ad, provide feedback, 10 cents. There's an app or something there, download it, $1.81. So Twitter follow. So this is the type of thing. Okay, so I literally set mine up, had a go, and it all worked fine, and I've got 52 cents in there. But I've literally done about 2 jobs. So it's not for me, but if this is the type of thing, if you're sat around bored, you've got a spare 2 hours, you could probably rack up, I don't know, a few dollars or something like that. Just, nothing too hard. So that's Micro Workers. Okay.